The U.S. military is now scrambling to contain coronavirus outbreaks at bases that has seen about a dozen service members, members of the American military, being infected on the island of Okinawa. The facilities are now under lockdown, and Ramy Inocencio looks into it.
This is the biggest number of cases the U.S. military has seen here in Asia ever since the coronavirus pandemic started, and now 3 bases in Okinawa have confirmed infections. That's U.S. Marine Corps Air Base Futenma, Camp Hansen, and Camp Kinser. Now, local reports have said that 4th of July celebrations in Okinawa, both on and off bases, are to blame, or at least partly to blame. That's because hundreds, if not thousands, of people attended those parties. Now there are lockdowns in place, and people in Okinawa are getting tested if they think that they were exposed to people who were also possibly infected. Now, Okinawa Governor Denny Tamaki expressed his anger over the weekend and his concern that a second wave has hit. He also cast doubt on whether the U.S. was actually doing enough to stop any more spread. Personnel movements have been restricted, and service members and their families aren't allowed to eat in restaurants in town or patronize non-essential businesses. More than half of the roughly 50,000 U.S. troops in Japan are currently based in Okinawa. The governor, whose father is actually American and whose mother is Okinawan, also demanded the U.S. military increase disease prevention measures to maximum levels, stop sending personnel from the mainland U.S. to Okinawa, and to provide for more transparency. Okinawa prefecture officials say the U.S. just hasn't revealed details about the people already infected. Now, this coronavirus surge in Okinawa is only further fanning the tensions between the U.S. military and the people of the islands. A history pockmarked by assault, murder, as well as rape, and that, of course, spawning anti-U.S. sentiment. And even beyond Japan, U.S. Forces Korea is also marking new coronavirus infections there, 11 all imported from the United States. Vlad, Anne-Marie?